space for these cars.
Okay, the next roundabout, follow the road ahead, second exit towards Bolton and Darwen, please. Just to remind you, left lane is only for left turning.
Yes.
Like this. Good. Because which line are we going to be following? The middle one, like that.
Okay. Oh, they're in that. Oh, he's not. So I'm gonna keep
good.
going. They're all indicating to come around the corner. He's not indicating, but I know he's coming this way.
Yeah, body behavior, isn't it?
And they're in that lane, so
There
I
she
can
go.
go.
Good.
Just gonna take it nice and slow.
And.
Indicate.
But.
Just gonna take it nice and slow.
And.
Indicate.
But. Right, look at that car over there. Right, look at that car over there. Look at the car on the right.
Yeah.
What happened there?
I made him move.
I want to discuss with you about the E-Wood roundabout, and I would like you to understand what went wrong and why that would have been a serious fault. Now, remember, on the roundabouts, we always talk about the lane discipline
Yeah.
and the positioning. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
So, imagine that this is a giveaway line for the we were there.
Yeah.
You also have got a line in the middle going like this, and this is a roundabout. Yeah.
Yeah.
So when we approach, we have got a like this. So I think this is where it's turning left, and this is the one going straight, right?
Yeah.
Now we kept our car in this position rather than this, because we're not going to McDonald's, do we?
No.
And I say to you that when you are going to move, you're going to follow the left dotted lines. What you must have done that time, you should have followed the car like this, and after the first exit, check your mirror signal and end up going into the second lane.
Yeah.
Now I want you to imagine for 1 minute, just imagine, there is no lane marking here, but you got to understand you do have got a McDonald's exit. So imagine for 1 minute, even though there is no line, tell yourself it's 2 lanes there.
Yeah.
You're positioning on the left,
Yeah.
but then as you move off, you try to go like this.
Which makes people think I'm gonna go all the way around.
Could be going around, or could be you can use the other lane, but
Yeah.
your positioning, because your positioning was more to the left like this, so you are telling people that you're gonna end up going into the following the left lane.
Yeah.
But instead of following the left lane or the left curb, you end up going like this.
Yeah.
That blue car behind you, he wasn't going right, he was there and he wanted to go there, which is he's also going where we went, because 2 lanes over there. But because he was doing this, because either he wanted to overtake us,
Yeah.
or he wanted to turn right. We don't do that. We're not turning right, and we're not overtaking anyone, so we always follow the left curb like this. So
Yeah.
what you should have done, Cara, you should have followed the like this.
I don't know why I did that. I really don't. But now I can see. I don't know why I've done it, but I won't do it again.
It's okay, that's how you learn it though, yeah?